Hey, welcome back, HMR, Heavy Metal Restorations. A little bit of a forgotten project. Remember I had the tank on the 63 Lincoln redone. I finally got it back and I thought today would be a good day to install it. So let's do this. So I got the thermostat here, a 180, that was in it. I'm gonna put a little coating, ultra black sealer right on the edge, put that in the block, and then we should let that set up at least for 30 minutes. So we're not gonna have a video of 30 minutes just twiddling our thumbs. So we'll give it a pause and, oh, here's the tank right here. Oh, what did I do? Oh, I already put the coil on it right here. That's where the coil goes for the distributor. So that's done. So let me double check the thermostat, make sure this is all cleaned out. You know what? I don't know if you can get a shot of that on here, on this side right here. Right there. I know it's a little, might be difficult, but right there. Let me get a little wire brush on that thing. We'll clean it up real quick. And then put that thermostat in there, let it set for 30. And then we're just gonna mount the tank on, get the hoses. And I picked up some stuff from AutoZone. Guess what I forget to pick up? Yep, coolant. So I gotta make another run back, but we'll save that for another time. Just wanna clean it up a little bit. Make sure there's no sealant inside that little ridge. This little ridge right here, that's what I'm looking for. There's our bypass hose that we put on the other day. Last week, 2 weeks ago, I think it was, well, probably like 3 weeks ago. Had a little delay in getting the tank, but you know what? The guys that did it did a great job. They're professionals, they know what they're doing, so I'm not angry about it. Camera person's going the other side. She's giving me sign language. I don't know how to do sign language, but I know a couple signs. One right in the middle. That's the one she likes to use the most. No? Oh, it is. I knew it. I knew it. Oh, man. Hang on. Oh. Hang on. I gotta do a little puncture hole in the Permatex Ultra Black gasket maker. Yep, that's what happens when it sets out for a little bit. Working on it here. Well, shucks. You know what? I wonder if there's a trick where that doesn't seal up like that, you know? Not sure. I could just poke a hole in the side, which I usually do, and I might have to do just to get this stuff to flow out of it. Ah, there we go. It's not like we need a ton of it on there. It's just enough to seal it up so we don't get any leaks around it. So, and it's gonna go into the, my bad, it's gonna go into the block like this. So let me just put a little bit on here. Not too heavy. Matter of fact, that's probably enough. Let me spread it around. I noticed when I took it off that there was some on it, so. And truth be told, I went to YouTube and saw somebody put a thermostat in his 63 Lincoln and recommended this, so there's got to be a good reason for it. And we don't want any leaks once we put this thing in, right? So, look at that, just like downtown Charlie Brown. All right, we'll let that set up. I got the Velcro, goes here, and then, yeah, we'll get it back on. So let's pause it. So I thought I would put a little high-tack sealant. It's not really a sealant, but it helps the gasket stick. So it's not, I'm not messing with the gasket, trying to get the bolt started. So I guess let's just do the gasket. And can help with leaks too, but I'm counting on the Velcro to really do a number, so we won't have any issues. No way. And pretty soon this car is going to be out of the herd. Yep, you heard it right. I'm going to get rid of something. The wife's going to have a heart attack. She can't believe I just said that. All right, let's put this on here. There we go. Ooh. Okay. All right, that's good. Now, let me move this so it doesn't spill all over the place. Put that back on the bench, and let's, I might be rushing it a little bit, but I'm gonna try to put that on there. So I think it's ready. I just gotta be gentle. Get a bolt started. That's what I'm looking for. Yes, sir. A little warm out here today. Oh, last time you saw Dusty, he was really dirty, but made it through a couple soakings. I think he's good enough for a good garage shirt now. So, I said, what did I do with the bolts? Oh, they're still in it. So let's try and just. Oh, yeah, we don't need a wire in there. Can't see. There we go. All right. Could help if I could see. Boy, it's giving me a hard time. Hard to believe, isn't it? All right, what is... Come on, Bessie. I think it's getting there. Maybe. Let me get the ratchet and another extension. Whee! Man, come on now. Not supposed to give a person a hard time when they're on camera. Supposed to go smoothly, no problems, smooth as silk. Not give you a hard time. That's what the Motor Trend car shows used to be. No problems. Everything just goes right in. No issues whatsoever. there goes my ratchet. All right. It's a G-rated show, so languages won't be an issue. I gotta get on that other side. I just can't see it. Well, it is started.
She said, I am the one who will dance on the floor and around. She told me her name was Billie Jean.
Getting sweat in my eyes.
Across the scene.
Hang on.
Then every head turned with eyes that dream of being the one who will dance on the floor and around. People always told me be careful of what you do, and don't go around breaking young girls' hearts. And mother always told me be careful of who you love, and be careful what you do, 'cause the lie becomes the truth. Billie Jean is not my lover. She's just a girl who claims that I am the one, but the kid is not my son. She says I am the one, but the kid is not my son. Billie Jean is not my lover. She's just a girl who claims that I am the one, but the kid is not my son. She says I am the one, but the kid is not my son. 40 days and 40 nights, the law was on her side. But who can stand when she's
All right, you
in
guys.
demand?
Don't do what I do, I guess.
Her
I don't
schemes and plans, 'cause we dance
ratchet
on the
is-
floor around. So
not
take
ratchet.
my strong advice. Just remember to always think twice. She told my baby we danced
Hey.
at 3.
Oh my
She
gosh.
looked at me,
Golly.
then showed
Gee willikers.
all my baby cried.
It's as bad as the distributor cap on the 59.
'Cause we danced on the floor.
All right. Deep well. Socket. Fix me right up. Ba-ba-boom. Maybe. And of course, it's missing. What?
Don't go around breaking young girls' hearts.
Da, da, da. You just gotta keep smiling. Don't get angry.
Stood right by me, then the smell of sweet perfume.
All right. Oh, let me get on your side. I think that was. Oh, yikes. Scaring everybody.
Billie Jean is not my lover. She's just a girl who claims that I am the one, but the kid is not my son.
Hey. Oh my gosh, look at that. Huh? It's a beaut. When I saw the blade on this, I hope I didn't put a dent in that. Yeah. Darn you, Lincoln. What do you think you're doing? Alright, time out. Well, no time out. Keep going. Oh my God. I got the keg. I don't got no six pack. I got the keg. That's me. It's beautiful though. Well, I don't know if it's beautiful. Some people might think it is. Yeah. All right. Oh, I didn't tell you guys. They did have found a leak. It was on the scene. So good thing I just didn't put it back on, because then I would be taking it back off again, right? And having it done, so. Okay, you know what? I gotta get on that side again. Yes, 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 yes. The old switcheroo. It's all right, you get a good shot of Dusty. American Dream, baby. That's right. Get my other t-shirt out, give you the bionic elbow treatment. All right, you know what? That's good there. Now what's interesting is, actually while you're on that side, you can see where the coil is. And I think we'll be all right. I might have to loosen it up and push it back a little bit in the holder that it's in. We'll see here, let's see. Yeah, you know what? Let me loosen that up and push that back just a smidge. The old smidgeroo. We'll push that back, get the spark plug coil wire on, and then just got to make sure that the distributor wire goes to the distributor and the battery wire is wired onto the coil correctly. Because if not, oh, pardon me. If not, yeah, you guys know, it won't start. So we'll loosen this up without having the nut fall off on the other side. Oh. Well, a little more. I'll probably have to use the... Oh, there we go. Oh, come on now. Oh, gosh. I don't want to take it all the way off, because then that little nut falls off and then I'm... Well, whatever. If it falls off, right? There we go. Okay, now this one. Let's get the coil wire. Come on. What the? You know, I guess I should have. There we go. I mean, I like how the coil's kind of hidden, but gee whiz. Hang on, let me get a pair of pliers to make sure that's all the way in. Gotta have good connection, or else we don't get good spark. So, another trip to the bench. Bench-a-boo, boo-boo-boo-boo, wrong drawer. You know, I used to have a pair of, let me see if I can find them. Yeah, yee-ha-ha, just like Pooter the Clown. They probably don't use these anymore, I don't know. little spark plug wire pliers. So you can grab the wire. Watch me break it. No, I'm cool. Hopefully not. But usually we can, yeah, see? Just like that. It doesn't work. I'm joking. All right, you know what? That's pretty darn good. So, that being said, let me see. All right. So I don't know if you might, that camera's so clear. Get my head out of the way. What it'll tell you, this one, what's that say? I think it says distributor. So this is the wire from the distributor. We put on right there, like so. And then, uh-oh. Where'd it go? Oh. Was any closer, it would have bit me. So, actually, it's got a little clampage here on the. Do that, and we go down, and I probably should have just. Yeah. Okay. If your fingers work good, they usually do. Well, son of a beeswax. Are you kidding me? It's not kidding me, Michelle. All right. You know what is doing this? It doesn't want to get sold. It wants to hang out here with all his friends, with the rest of the herd. I think that's what the issue is. What do you think? What?
Could be.
Oh, I thought he says up to me.
Well, it is up to you.
There we go. No, I'm joking. If you want me to keep it, no problem. I'll keep it. You just say the word. Word is the bird. Bird is the word. Uh-oh. Okay. Now we got to get this little nut on there. Can he do it? Can he do it? Who's a magician that's really good? Other than Houdini. Is there a modern musician out there?
I'm not sure like that.
Oh my gosh. No, watch this not be the right size. No, of course not. All right, let me get the right one. I think that's 3/8. Yes, sir. We having fun now. This is what goes on in HMR. Good times. That's what I'm talking about. Has a little bit of wipeout. All right, now what one's what? Oh, let's try this one. I have the whole toolbox over here before we're done. Oh, come on, don't do that to me. I had to move this car while the tank was off it. And I'm cranking on it, and I'm like, what the HE double toothpicks is going on? The thing's not firing up. And then I realized that, it's not going to start because the coil wasn't in it and nothing was hooked up. Because the coil attaches to the coolant tank. So as soon as I put the coil, plug the coil in, hook up the wires, hit the key, boom, she fired, purred like a kitten. This is another car that the motor is so quiet. Like I mentioned on my What's in the Shed with the 56 Continental Mark II. That motor and this motor, I don't know what Lincoln did back then, but they are so quiet. Now, I've got a couple of my Cadillacs I would consider quiet, you know, very good quality, nice. But this 63 and that 56, there's no way. I mean, these things, I don't know if I just got lucky, you know, just the way it is, or if all of them are like that. If they are, wow, it's pretty impressive. The only thing that I don't like about this is I had to rebuild the power steering pump. That's what this all started. Rebuilding the power steering pump. It's not like on a General Motors car, right? The power steering pump runs off the end of the crankshaft. So you got to pull the harmonic balancer, then you pull off the pump, take out the gears, put in the new O-rings, put it all back together, so anyways, it's cool. I mean, it's nice. You don't have the extra pulley and all that stuff on there, but it is a little bit of a pain, but you know what? That's okay. All right. So with that being said, all I got to do now, and we don't have the video of this. I'm sure they're probably ready to go grab a cold beer or some chips or something.
You think after 22 minutes?
Yeah, definitely. They'd probably see me sweating, making them thirsty, just like my shirt I had on the other night when I was out here welding away on the 50. You look like I need a Paps. So, with that being said, we got the tank on. The next step for this is I got to put some trim on it, hood ornament, the wheel well moldings, give it a good wash, and then it's going to find a home. So, hey, I appreciate you checking in. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I appreciate you. We'll talk to you later.